Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Honda Odyssey key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press it firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This step is crucial as it uncovers a small slot, which is where you'll begin to gently separate the two halves of the fob's casing. It's a simple first step to access the internal components. Now that the emergency key is out, take a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin. Insert it into the slot you just revealed. With a gentle twisting motion, begin to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time and work slowly around the entire seam. This careful approach helps prevent any damage to the plastic casing, ensuring your fob remains in good condition. Once the fob is open, you'll see the small coin cell battery. Before you remove it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pop out the old battery. Most Honda Odyssey key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Insert the new battery with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards, just like the old one was positioned. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Make sure all the edges are flush. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Now, test all the buttons to ensure your Honda Odyssey key fob is working perfectly again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.